I get this question all the time. Deven, what makes a niche easier to cover with what should you do next videos instead of first step tutorials? The short answer is this. A niche is great for next step videos when the audience moves through repeatable stages and hits obvious decision points after the basics. Here's the simple test I use. First, does the niche have milestones? Not just start here, but you did that, now do this. If the viewer can move from setup to optimization to scaling, that's a strong sign. Second, are there trade-offs? Next step videos work when people have to choose between two good options, like do I improve packaging, pricing, thumbnails, or retention first? Decisions create content. Third, is there feedback? If people can measure results, they'll keep needing guidance. Metrics, outcomes, bottlenecks, and audits all create natural follow-up videos. Fourth, does the niche branch? A good next step niche doesn't have one path. It has paths based on goals, skill level, budget, or constraints. My rule, if a niche keeps generating I already did the first thing, now what? Comments, it's a next step niche. If every video has to reteach the absolute basics, it's mostly a first step niche. And if you're building this at scale, Satura is useful for turning those milestones and branch points into an actual repeatable content workflow. That's the filter.